We need to clean up the interior. It's been abused, neglected, and trashed for years. And we're going to have to invest some time into this interior. The seats, the rug, everything is pretty much sound. It's not torn up, ripped up, just dirty and caked with a lot of muck. The first thing we need to do, get the larger pieces of trash out of there into the trash can, pull the floor mats. Even though they are in rough shape, we want to try and restore them if we can. We want to pinch as many pennies as we can with these first few cars, guys. This is the difficult part of the flipping. You have to really be tight and salvage whatever you can. Then we're going to take and fire up the compressor and blow some of the crumbs and the smaller pieces from the top of the vehicle out of the center console and holding containers down onto the floor where we can vac them out before we proceed. Seemed everywhere you looked, overturned something, there was even more muck to clean up. But on this day, I had fantastic help, and I thank everybody involved. With each step, progress is being made, and we can now actually see what color the door jambs are now. We're also trying not to oversaturate any of the materials in this interior, a common mistake made by detailers, especially on headliners. Just simply mist a little bit of Chemi Polestar into a microfiber towel, and we can massage a large percentage of these marks right out of the headliner. Time to get to these nasty cloth seats and the carpet. The carpet will be an extractor and some drill brushes and the likes. But here's some tips on cloth seats.
So normally I use the upholstery foam in a can that leaves a nice even surface. So we have a nice clean pad. So the dirt's now on the pad instead of in the seat. And never do this with a brand new pad.
No.
You'll have a wool explosion inside the car. And a natural wool pad instead of synthetic works better. I think this is a synthetic wool.
Natural twisted wool on an older pad is best. It scrubs excellent and effectively by getting in between the fibers of the seats with that foam cleaner. You can also use a DA and a microfiber pad and a mild APC to clean textured leather and plastics. Another tip, we're all finished now. The interior is still damp. Once it dries, it will have a nice uniform color to it. Eventually, with the windows open out on a nice day. And there actually, with the upholstery being perfectly clean, can still be some staining, as neglect that long can permanently dye and stain some materials. But that's just the way it is. We made a huge improvement on this vehicle here. We still have a lot of work to do, and I hope you join us in the next episode.